Okay, hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start creating monetizable YouTube channels using AI and create videos like this. Now, this is one example channel, like whose videos we are going to create. Its name is Codes, and you can see it has 1.24 million subscribers, and this is a monetized channel. Now, all these videos are AI generated, and if we go on Social Blade and look at this YouTube channel named Codes, in Social Blade, we can see all the statistics. So you can see that per month they are making around $5,000. So this is all using AI, and I'm going to show you how to make YouTube channels like this. So let's get started. First, what we'll do is we'll go to Google Bard, which is a free AI tool. It's a ChatGPT alternative. I just gave it a prompt, give me a list of top 10 great Chinese motivational quotes, and it has given me a lot of proverbs. I extracted all the extra stuff, and these are the small top 5 proverbs that I've received. Now I'm gonna copy this, right? Control C, and we're gonna put it in this 11 Labs AI, which can basically turn text into speech. It's also free AI, and you're gonna put it right here and just click on download. Here you can select the voice that dictates your speech. I'm just going to stick to Dave, and I've already downloaded the audio, so I'm not going to download it again. Then we're going to go to AI image generator at Leonardo.ai. Now Leonardo AI helps us to, okay, let me just refresh this page. So Leonardo AI helps us to create our own basically custom AI generated images. And this is the example of the image that I've generated using Leonardo.ai. Let's see how much time it takes for it to load. Okay, so that took some time for some reason, but this is Leonardo AI's interface. After you create an account, you can put your prompt right here. So put this prompt, hyper-realistic image of a buff male-wise Chinese warrior facing the camera. You need images like this, where your subject is directly looking at the camera and not the 3/4 one. So I'm gonna click on the image we like, okay, and using one of the options here, you can upscale the image, you can do whatever you want, and you can download the image. After you downloaded the image into your PC, it's going to look something like this. It's a very nice image, I like it, and it is pretty realistic. Now you can edit the image more. You can also specify to make the image landscape, matlab basically horizontal in Leonardo AI, but I'm going to just stick to the default aspect ratio. Now that we are in Leonardo AI, we are going to download the image, and then we are going to download the speech also by clicking here, and it's going to download into your computer. Now I've put all of that, the image and this audio, in one folder. Now we go to studiodid.com, okay, and in this, after creating an account, you can click on create new video, and this interface opens. Then here, all you have to do is basically just click on upload your own audio, and the audio we just downloaded from 11 Labs AI, you have to upload it right here. So I'm going to select that. This is my audio, and right here, select your custom Leonardo AI image that we just generated. So you can click on add, and it's going to open your file, and just double click on that. Now I've already done this, and then once you do that, you can create and generate video. Now I have expired my credits on this account, so I'm going to go on my other account, and this is the video that I generated. Let's see what it looks like. Just give it a second.
Number 1. Small steps lead to big journeys. Number 2. Keep rising after every fall. Number 3. Live by your values, not just popularity. Number 4. Helping others brightens everyone's path. Number 5. Challenges forge strongest beauty.
So I hope you could see the video and hear the audio. And basically, you can just download this video from right here.
Number 1.
And,
Small steps lead to big journeys.
That's that.
Number
So
2.
you can post this video on YouTube, and because it is original content, you can easily monetize it. You can also take landscape videos and convert them into shorts and monetize that also. So that's how to create these trending AI videos. And yeah, they get like, look, 8 million views in 10 months, 11 months. So there's that. For more videos like this, subscribe if you like this video. Then please like the video.